So UCL is celebrating its bicentenary. We're all gathering here for the 200th birthday, and the Physics and Astronomy department was one of the founding subjects. The public have an appetite for science. They want to understand and discuss science. And I think these events that we're putting on, like these festivals, are brilliant for helping to engage and have conversations with scientists who are here today, right now. So an example of this week's activities is this immersive display that we've put together with 4K projections all around the ceilings to give the experience of our UCL observatory, which is one of the premier teaching observatories in the UK. And then we show from there what the students are learning, how they're using telescopes. They're making discoveries, they're actually studying planets around other stars.
So the motor rover which we have here is just a scale mock-up of the actual rover, and what we are doing with it is just we built it for young kids and people to try it and see how it will move on Mars. The reactions that I get are usually, do you think we're going to find aliens on Mars? And I always reply by saying yes, but not in the way that you think. Alien life means it's just life that exists outside Earth, and these alien life can be either microbes or bacteria or small plants that you can find, and that's what we're trying to look for with ExoMars.
So obviously everyone's aware of the Artemis 2 mission, which is so exciting. So I decided on this theme of why are we returning to the moon? There are lots of technological innovations that are associated with these missions. All of these things are then helping humanity in lots of other ways. And obviously it's such a great future because we're trying to sort of celebrate the work that's done here. And I think there's so much progress being made in planetary science.
So today we've been really lucky. We've got a mobile planetarium. So inside there, we're showing the stars and the constellations, the myths and legends that come from them, the idea of the zodiac and the science of the zodiac. Science is all about asking questions and knowing the best questions to ask and not being afraid to ask those questions. I think as we grow, we often forget to ask questions, whereas young people, they've got it built in them. And that's why I really want to communicate that they should keep on asking questions, keep on finding out information, and that's the way we learn.
I'm hoping that by visiting that experience, the first thing that the audience would take away is a wow. I think it is really a wonderful thing to talk about space. I've been writing a lot of books for children, and this is a great way to engage with them. It means that they could become interested in STEM subjects, and that could be their pathway forward, because then they would become the future explorers of the universe, and we need them. We need them now.